Today I am going to be cooking a prawn dish and it's called cereal butter prawns. The core ingredient is Nestum, which is typically a drink that I used to have a lot when I was growing up with condensed milk and fresh milk. Chinese restaurants in Malaysia typically serve this together with curry leaves and hot chilli. Well, when I say hot chilli, it is the bird's eye chilli. So here are all my ingredients. Okay, so here is 500 grams of fresh prawns that I've bought from the supermarket. We are going to deshell and devein it because it's easier to eat rather than you having to peel prawns. And then we're going to marinate that with some salt and pepper for about 15 minutes. After that, we will use some corn flour, which we are going to then fry in oil. So it's going to give that a crispy texture. After we remove it, we are going to saute some butter together with garlic, bird's eye chilli, and curry leaves, which I just cut from the garden just now. We're going to top it off with some condensed milk. And lastly, this is our Nestum cereal, which I've mixed with already a bit of salt. So let's start cleaning the prawns now. So here are my clean prawns, which now I'm going to be marinating with some salt and some pepper. So we're going to lightly coat the prawns with the corn flour, which will give it a crispy texture.